Melomania 1 Plus Controls Tutorial. Melomania 1 Plus gives you the convenience of extensive function controls without the need to touch your smartphone. You can play or pause by briefly pressing the button on either left or right earbud once. You can skip to the next track by double pressing the right earbud and play the previous track by double pressing on the left. To increase the volume, press and hold on the right, and to decrease volume, press and hold on the left. When you stop pressing, the volume will settle at that level. To accept an incoming phone call, press once on either side, or reject it by long pressing on either. You can then end a phone call by double pressing either earbud. If you use Siri or Google Assistant on your phone, you'll be happy to know you can activate your smartphone's voice assistant by simply double pressing either earbud when your music is paused. And finally, should you need to activate manual pairing to connect your earbuds to a new phone or device, you can do this by long pressing either earbud. This will then announce waiting to pair on that earbud, and your earbuds will be discoverable in your new device's Bluetooth settings. A card is included in the box to give you a quick and easy reference to all these functions. If you prefer a simpler user experience and don't need some of these button press functions, you can turn any of them off in the settings panel of the Melomania smartphone app. For more help and guidance, please visit our support site at melosupport.cambridgeaudio.com.